Everyone, this is Rose Lopez, and this is my how-to to make a spooky basket this year. I have 6 steps in order to achieve the spooky basket. Step 1 is something you think they need. Step 2 is something that they remind you of, or they like. Step 3 is something that reminds you of them. Step 4 is something fun, and step 5 is something sweet. And then step 6 is to decorate. Super simple and super easy, and I think you could do it as well. So first, I went to Walmart and I saw these green pumpkins when I walked in for $1. And then later on, when I walked down the aisles, I saw these coffee mugs that were like super cute. They had like super fun Halloween ones, super simple too, nothing like too crazy. Like I also saw these cups with just straws in them for like $3, which wasn't that bad at all. And then I saw these skull mugs or cups. They were super cute. They were like for $5. They're mostly glass, but I thought they were a pretty reasonable price. Or I saw these super basic cups. They're only for $1. And if your significant other are into cars and is into Halloween stuff, you know, I saw some air fresheners and some little car coasters, which I thought were pretty cute. And I saw these bracelets, which were like $1 as well. And if your significant other is into stationery stuff and Halloween, this is absolutely perfect. They're only $1 as well. They had super cute Halloween themed ones, like I said, and some pens. And if your significant other is more into like the fun side of things, there's a whole aisle of kind of like basket goodies, and there are like some squishies that I thought were super cute. They're like mystery bag ones. Some Halloween straws too. Walking out of the aisle, I saw these super cute matching pajama Halloween sets for $13. I thought they were super cute, especially because they had some dog ones, and you know, they have kids and toddler ones. But you know, this is great if you're a significant other and you want to just lounge around in these and watch some spooky movies. That would be also pretty cool too. You know, obviously I had to get some candy for the basket. I chose this one because it just had a variety of, there's a whole aisle of candy, so just, you know, browse that. I also added some glow sticks just because I thought that would be pretty fun. Then I went to Five and Below and I saw these super cute matching cat socks. They had little skulls on them with the cats. And these masks remind me of kind of like the Purge mask. They're LED, super cool. And then I went to Dollar General and I saw these dollar socks. You can never go wrong with spooky socks, I'm not gonna lie. Your significant other would absolutely love them. They're gonna love them and wear them all the time, even after Halloween. And then I just got some spider webs because super simple, super easy, nothing crazy. And then these are all the items that I got. So I had went to Bath & Body Works previously just because they had a sale on candles. This is my something you think that they need, just because, you know, COVID season and all. And then when I was at Walmart, I saw these super cute hair accessories, and that's my something that they like because they're into the hair products and stuff. This is something that reminds me of them. The little hand towels that expand in water are fun too. Something fun are like those little squishmallows and the glow sticks I got. They were pretty cool. And then something to decorate. I kind of skipped sweets, but it's okay. And then I just kind of all put it all together. You know, I told them all to get in the basket, and that's just pretty much what they did right now. Then I just added the spider web, and then I kind of just, you know, did my magic, and it was done. It was ready. You know, I had set up all this, kind of made it look pretty, but not really. You know, it's the thought that counts more than anything. Had put it all together, kind of see the little frog in the front. That's pretty cool. And then this is me adding the sweets in, because, you know, can't forget about that. Thank you for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Have a safe and COVID-friendly Halloween.